Okay, we're back for another episode of Opening.
110.
110.
5 cases.
Come on, Tiger Woods, Michael Jordan.
Tiger Woods.
Yes, he's our idol.
Hindi, wala tayo dun eh. Woods,
Yes.
Jordan, wala tayo.
But he's our idol. Is he your idol now?
Yeah,
Ano yung meron tayo? Woods
Why?
saka Jordan, di ba?
Why is he your
Hindi,
idol?
Woods saka LeBron.
he's a womanizer.
Just
Like
like-
the cameraman.
Just like our cameraman, ha?
No.
Oh, yes, yes.
Cameraman is smiling.
Yes.
Because he's
Cameraman,
guilty.
Womanizer.
He was also hit by a golf club by his wife.
Sam Young, who played very well today.
What team?
Rookie patch. Rookie patch.
Jeff Green, who hit the 3-pointer that made us lose the
Rookie patch.
game earlier.
Rookie patch.
No,
I
just the
hate
odds.
him.
Just the odds.
That's because of the odds. I hate him.
Uy!
Uy, ang ganda yan.
Jason Terry,
Da-
player.
DA.
Tyler Hansbrough, and
No.
is all Mullen, Drexler,
Ah, Chris
Moses
Mullen.
Malone,
Sino yan?
Walt Frazier,
Ooh.
George Gervin, Hakeem Olajuwon, Oscar Robertson, and Willie Sweet.
Ano yan? Hall of Famer.
Legends.
Legends.
So, Hall of Famer nga.
Can you make yourself useful?
Yes. I will. See, look. I put it there. And there.
Oh goodness.
I'm so useful.
Like having a 3-year-old kid
You're
here.
useless.
Yes, I know.
You don't have to say because his wife already knows.
Yeah.
His wife already knows that he's useless.
Yes.
Why?
My wife knows.
And he's agreeing.
No, I'm not.
Oh, yeah.
And he's gay.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Pare. Bad
you-
trip
you
to.
keep that.
Meron pala yan.
Meron pa rin eh. Epal.
James Harden, who made the winning shot against
Puro winning shot yan,
Utah.
Ah, oh, yan ba?
Yeah.
Talo ko naman.
No, I did not.
Rubian.
OJ Mayo,
Ah.
who's Mr. Shoot Now, ask questions next time. Marcus Camby. Tabit,
Gusto ko maka-Jordan. Pag naka-Jordan tayo ngayon.
and Gerard Wallace.
No?
Oh, if we get a Jordan, can you shut up for 10 minutes?
I can. Because I am hyper mood.
Oh, where's the sleeping pill?
What?
Huh? Oh.
No, he's
Well, I bet our cameraman is also praying for a Jordan because he wants one, right?
Yes.
Retro flashback? Yeah.
And do you want you to shut up?
But I'm praying for a
Oh, siya. Dosi.
Dirk Nowitzki. Marcus Thornton.
Ooh, very organized
Yes, I know.
Jose Calderon.
Injured.
Rubian yan.
Julius Irving.
Wow. Ay, retro ba yan?
No, signature patches. Who's this?
Wallace.
Wallace.
Yung
And-
dati kasi yung
Ray.
Irving, hindi natin napansin, retro pala yun.
Oo.
Redemption pala yun eh. Nasama sa mga iklat. Kasama niya yung I think the Yao Ming one was also included in that. It was overshadowed by our Russell.
Redemption eh.
Hindi, Russell. It was a good retro.
Match.
Russell, Magic
He's,
Johnson,
uh,
Larry Bird.
He's really drunk. Sorry.
No, I'm not. I'm not drunk.
Melo. Eric Maynor. Bynum.
Uy, ang
Uy!
ganda niyan!
Wow.
Hello, Mr.
Paul
Paul.
will kill for that.
Yes.
Sino yan?
Paul will kill for that.
Sino ba yan?
Si
J.R.
J.R.
Smith.
Smith.
But the patch is
The one at the back.
No.
E. And a 7 of 10.
Parang si hindi masyado ngayon.
Nani.
Sino naman naglalaro yun? Si Agent.
Sino?
He's
Sino
injured.
naglalaro? Sa China national team.
Hindi ka. Lenny?
He's
Injured.
injured. He's just like you. Injured in the brain.
What? I'm not injured in the brain. What are you talking about?
Get more beer there. Is that
Huh?
can empty?
Yes.
Get another there.
Why? Why?
Come on!
So the
There's
momentum.
Paul.
Earl Clark.
Retro RC. Sorry. Did I throw it on your feet?
Jason Terry.
Terry.
Ayoko na.
Who's
Bill
niya?
Walton.
Bill
Walton.
Walton. First time, no?
Reggie Miller.
0405. And
DeRozan.
DeMar Rosan.
oh, get another can. Get 2 cans. Parang commercial.
We will have another retro week next week.
Yes.
With a lot of legend, upper deck legends. Auto. Some 0405 exquisite. Dwight Howard here.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Next week, our senior citizen will wear retro briefs.
Retro what?
Retro briefs.
Oh.
Bacon.
Weirdo. Sorry. Dewan Summers.
Who is going to throw up now? Look.
He's throwing up. Yeah. Definitely.
Paul
yeah.
Pierce.
He's throwing up now.
Michael Red
Michael
was not
Red.
playing.
Sometimes he
Iba to.
plays.
Jared Wallace and Jason Richardson.
Oh, nothing to shout about yet, ah.
Yeah. Edsel eh.
See?
Very ano eh.
Game.
Let's see. He's very annoying.
Let's see if we get lucky
That
while
guy is
he's
very
not there.
annoying. Next time, don't include him in the video, okay? That guy, ah.
Let's see if we get lucky while
I don't
he's
think that's
in
him.
there.
Oh. Jordan
Oh,
Hill.
he's back.
Kilos.
Ano, swerte
Devin
ba?
Harris.
I'll stay for...
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Uy, okay yan.
And a Dwight Howard regular card. So far, nothing to shout yet, unlike the previous ones.
Mm.
Yeah.
We need to get a good one for this year.
Bakit lang, lalim mo bukas.
We got Wade. We got Paul.
We have a Jordan.
Jordan.
We have a Kobe.
7.
Jor-
Jordan.
So who's only one missing? LeBron.
Oh, yes.
LeBron.
We want LeBron.
We want Tiger Woods with Jordan. 3 of 3. Pare-pat ako yun. Tiger Woods with Jordan.
Mm.
Bosh. Uy!
Chief.
Oh, tangina
naman yan, no?
Siguro halos nakuha natin lahat yan.
Ang dami.
Mga pang-wall na yata yun eh.
Stephen
Ilang?
Curry.
Jun.
OJ.
Jun. Naalala mo may dati may isang bukas tayo.
The one there.
Oh.
Jun. Di ba ang Patrick, Paris na kuha natin?
John, I think to make it faster, can you take it out of the stupid box? Because we're not.
Oh, you have to be himas, so no stupid box.
Come on.
Come on, Retro Jordan.
Tiger Woods, Jordan.
Yeah.
Eric
I think
Maynard.
the cameraman and me should change.
Dirk
Oh, Dirk
Nowitzki.
Nowitzki.
Dwight
Uy, ganda
Howard.
yan.
Oh, Dwight
For
Howard.
Jose Calderon.
Uy, gold.
And Hans Bro. Gold.
20 of 50.
Wala tayong na akong retro.
Mm.
Madali, ito.
Di ba
meron
dati,
pa.
dami na akong retro dati, no?
Ito pa, ito pa.
Dami pa naman eh.
Uy, yan lahat yun, wala na.
Wala na. Parating na.
Come on!
Chase.
Badinger.
That's you. Mike Bibby.
Rip
Tama naman ang pack
Hamilton.
na yan.
Iverson.
Iverson.
Gold.
Kahit na.
Ano number?
7.
7.
Come on, last 5 boxes.
The minutes pass.
9 minutes. Last pack.
Last pack. Oh my god. T-Mac.
Rubian.
Ricky Rubio. OJ.
Ooh!
Joakim
Noah.
Number to 13.
No, 18 of
Walang retro talaga, no?
Blair and a
Brook
Lopez.
Okay, we'll go back for the next
Will
one.